You're doing everything right, eating healthy, taking your supplements, working out, but something still feels off. Maybe you're tired, moody, anxious, or struggling with your cycle. There are three common habits that most women do every day that might actually be quietly sabotaging your hormones, and most don't even realize the damage they're causing. Today, I'm breaking down how these three habits are silently wreaking havoc on your hormone health and exactly how to fix them. Hey, I'm Evelyn, a holistic wellness coach specializing in women's hormone health and fertility, but here we go beyond that. From balancing hormones to mastering your emotions and embracing feminine energy, this is your space for all things holistic wellness, empowerment, and transformation. Get ready to reclaim your confidence, elevate your energy, and step into your most magnetic self. If that speaks to you, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and welcome to the channel. Before we dive in, I want to quickly mention that I'm not a medical doctor, and this video is for educational purposes only. This is not medical advice. Always consult your doctor before making any health changes. Now let's get into it. So what are these habits quietly destroying your hormones? Habit number 1, blue light at night. We live in a world full of screens and artificial light. Phones, laptops, tablets, TVs, LED lights, and while they make life convenient, they also come with a hidden cost for your hormones. You may have already heard that blue light tricks your brain into thinking it's daytime, which suppresses melatonin production, the hormone that helps you fall asleep and also signals your body that it's time to repair and regenerate cells overnight. But what's less talked about is that this repair process requires energy, and that's where the mitochondria come in. Mitochondria are like tiny power plants in your cells. They create the energy your body needs to make hormones like estrogen, progesterone, and cortisol. And when melatonin is low, it can significantly affect mitochondrial function. That means your mitochondria can't do their job properly, which disrupts hormone production, leaving you tired, moody, anxious, bloated, or even messing with your cycle and fertility. So how do we fix it? Try to avoid all artificial light 1 to 2 hours before bed. Practice being in complete darkness. And if that's not possible, wear blue light blocking glasses like these, or use an app that eliminates all blue light on your devices. The key is zero blue light. Use candles or warm or red lights in the evening, and make sure to get morning sunlight to reset your internal clock. Making these simple changes gives your mitochondria a chance to do their job, supports healthy hormone production, and improves your sleep, energy, mood, and overall hormone balance. Habit number 2, taking multivitamins or prenatals. I bet you didn't see that one coming. Here's the thing. Most multivitamins and prenatals contain synthetic B vitamins, especially synthetic vitamin B9, also known as folic acid. And what most people don't realize is that folic acid can actually do far more harm than good. Why? Because anywhere from 60 to 70% of the population has what is known as the MTHFR gene mutation. That means the majority of people actually struggle to process folic acid properly. And too much folic acid blocks your body from using real folate, the nutrient that drives a process called methylation, which is essential for keeping your hormones balanced and your body running smoothly. The result? More inflammation and more hormonal imbalance, which can show up as mood swings, fatigue, bloating, or painful periods. So what should you do instead? Focus on getting natural folate from real whole foods. Things like red meat, organ meats, especially liver, eggs, leafy greens, and legumes are all great sources. Your body recognizes and uses these nutrients far more efficiently than anything synthetic, supporting healthy methylation, balanced hormones, and better overall energy. Now, if you're currently looking for one-on-one support on your hormone balancing or fertility journey, I'd love to connect with you. You can book a free wellness consultation with me to see if working together would be a good fit. I'll include the link in the description box below. Moving on to habit number 3, having oatmeal with fruit for breakfast. I know, it sounds healthy, right? But here's the problem. Starting your day with carbs and sugar, even if it's from oats and fruit, spikes your blood sugar first thing in the morning. And when blood sugar spikes, insulin follows. And a few hours later, your blood sugar crashes, leaving you tired, moody, craving sugar, and stressing out your adrenals. Over time, that constant blood sugar roller coaster can throw your hormones completely off balance, especially your cortisol, thyroid, and sex hormones. So if you're struggling with fatigue, PMS, irregular cycles, hot flashes, or mood swings, this is one of the simplest fixes you can make. Instead of starting your day with carbs alone, make protein your foundation. Think eggs, beef patties, chicken sausages. Eating a savory, protein-rich breakfast is one one of the best things you can do for your hormones. When you start your day this way, you stabilize your energy, reduce cravings, and set your hormones up for balance the rest of the day. Now I'm curious, which one of these 3 habits surprised you the most? And which changes do you think you'll start implementing? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. And if you have any questions or requests for future videos, you can leave those down below too. And be sure to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.